The GeeekPi N04 M.2 NVMe to PCI adapter is a game-changer for Raspberry Pi 5 users, offering a seamless way to boost your storage performance. This adapter supports a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSDs, including the 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 form factors, making it incredibly versatile. Imagine having the power of an SSD on your Raspberry Pi, allowing you to experience lightning-fast boot times, rapid data transfers, and snappy application performance. With this adapter, you can transform your Pi into a high-performance machine, perfect for tasks that demand speed and efficiency. Installation is a breeze. Simply slot in your chosen M.2 NVMe SSD. Connect the adapter to your Pi's PCIe slot, and you're good to go. No complicated setup or configuration is needed, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users. The GeeekPi N04 is built with quality in mind, featuring a robust design that ensures reliable performance and long-term durability. Its compact size ensures it won't take up too much space in your Pi setup, leaving room for other essential components. Whether you're a developer, a maker, or just someone looking to get the most out of their Raspberry Pi 5, this adapter is a must-have. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to run resource-intensive applications, store large data sets, and even explore new use cases that were previously limited by storage constraints. With its excellent compatibility, ease of use, and impressive performance boost, the GeeekPi N04 M.2 NVMe to PCI adapter is the best way to future-proof your Raspberry Pi 5 and unlock its full potential.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.